Good morning. Good morning, Jay. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Hey.
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 I can't believe that. I wasn't ready for the excitement. You just like went from 0 to 100.
All right.
You just,
Good morning.
what's up?
Wait, we do. We're going to.
All right, cut it.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Good morning. Say good morning, Jay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You too. What's up?
Oh gosh. Okay. Hi guys. Good morning. Today's another hair vlog. Should be very exciting because I'm doing it on a new product that hasn't even launched yet from DevaCurl. So super excited about that. If you are new to my page or my channel, I am Kelly. Oh my gosh. I am Kelly, so welcome, and make sure that you subscribe down below. Like this video if you want to see more hair vlogs or yeah, just videos in general, right? So anyhow, I'm going to show you, my house is a mess, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to be filming today. Today I'm going to be trying out the DevaCurl Super Stretch. I'm super excited about this because who's not excited about stretching your curls, you know, and still having definition, define, control, coconut oils in here, so it's really good for your hair. And of course, DevaCurl is known to have 100%, it's Coligo friendly pretty much, no sulfate, no silicone, none of all that stuff in your hair. So it's really good for your hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna just get started with doing my hair and you're just gonna follow me out the day. Again, it should be a good day, fingers crossed, because we're going to a barbecue. But I did get these samples from CurlFest. So if you didn't check out my CurlFest video, or if you haven't gone to CurlFest before, I hear word is that they're putting out more locations or they're, you know, stirring something up. So it'd be exciting to go to another one or make sure you go to the next one. All right, anyway, I'm babbling. So let me start putting this in my hair. Okay, so you're back in my cabinet. Big surprise, right? All right, so I'm gonna put this here. With DevaCurl products, I mean with really any product that you put in your hair, it's a good idea to have your hair like soaking wet on a wash and go. I haven't really been doing like it wet, like super duper wet in a while, so I'm gonna drench my hair right now for this DevaCurl because I really want to see how this product works. Okay, so we're gonna start off with soaking my hair in water and then sectioning my hair and then applying all of this Super Stretch into my curls. DevaCurl Super Stretch Coconut Curl Elongator. It's for defining and controlling your curls. So I'm just gonna read the back. It says that this coconut infused cream stretches any style, elongates curls without compromising definition, while coconut oil delivers shine and moisture. The soft, velvety texture, it gives the moisture of a cream with the hold of a gel without the crunch. Oh, so if you're thinking about like, do I have to have a gel with this product? It's saying that you don't, so that's a good thing. It's kind of like a one and done. This is really all that you need in your hair. And then how to use it, you choose. Okay, great. So elongated wash and go, saturate curls by pressing Super Stretch into clean, wet hair in downward motion. Do not scrunch. So every motion that you see me do, it will be downward. So yes, for stretch style, we're talking about the twists, the braids, the bantu knots, etc. Apply on wet or damp curls in sections. So we're just doing a wash and go right now. Okay, so all the product is in right now. I'm feeling very elongated with my curls. I'm really liking it so far. I like that I feel the product. Usually a lot of DevaCurl products are very lightweight, so this I feel like it's like heavy. It's on my curls. So good sign there. I will show you better in the light. Currently it is 102 right now, so I will check back in and we'll see how this goes. I'm excited. Okay, so disclaimer, my house is very messy. So this is what my hair looks like wet. I really like it so far. Like, again, I hope I'm giving you good angles and you could really see, but anyway, I'm gonna head out. So I'll see you in a bit. Oh boy. Okay, so I'm in my sister's room right now. No, I'm not. I'm not in my sister's room. I'm in my niece's room. And so far, just update on my hair. It is so loud outside, so if I bring you downstairs, it's like you can't even hear me. But so far, it's actually a little crunchy, which I like as it dries. Let me go into better lighting. I came into the bathroom, hence it's a different bathroom, but it's drying really nice. It's very defined. I do see shrinkage, but it's not like crazy. But we're an hour and a half in right now, and I'm sweating. very defined. I like it. I like it so far. I can't wait to like break the seal, you know, or see what happens in like another 2 hours. But I am sweating. And honestly, I barely touched it, even while it's drying right now. But it feels like it's drying quick because it is hot outside. It's like 90 degrees and humid. So let me go back downstairs. I told you it was gonna be loud back here. Alright guys, I am so hot. It's so hot in New York right now, you have no idea. This is pretty much my hair dried right now. There's so much movement. A little bit of frizz, but it might just be sweat, not to be nasty or anything like that. But yeah, but so far so good. Like thumbs up, I really like this product. If you can see it, DevaCurl's really nice. It's probably the best DevaCurl styler I've used on my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna keep partying the night away. I'm so hot. Bye, see you tomorrow. You guys should be in my video. Oh wait, plot point. It's too hot out here. Oh, I hate that. Good morning, good morning. All right, so this is next day. Serious pineapple right here. So what I do typically when I wake up, just because I wanted to share with you, because last night it was too dark, too loud for me to even show you the true results. The wash and go for one day hair was like a true success, honestly. It wasn't as much shrinkage as other products, so I really liked that. Also, I felt like this was like the most one product hold that you get from DevaCurl. So typically the next day, just to show you, my curls have held up. Like they look very good. And I tried to sleep somewhat not crazy. I slept on a satin pillowcase and my hair in a pineapple. So in the morning, I take that out, shake it up. I'm actually gonna go run and get breakfast. So while I do that, I'm just gonna take this time to stretch out my curls. So the way that I stretch out my curls is I take one of these babies, because these have like so much like pull and stretch, whatever. It just works for my hair. And my hair's already in a part, but I take this and then pull it back. What I'm gonna do to stretch out my curls even more, I'm gonna use a water bottle. I'm just gonna spritz the front of my hair, like around my hair and a little bit in between. Okay, I'm using a lot of water. This morning too, I do feel the product on my hair. It's not bad, but I mean I feel it, but it's not that bad. Stretch it. Stretch out my curls. We're gonna put one of these on. And that's how I stretch out my curls in the morning. And there are other ways, but maybe I'll save that for later. And I'm gonna go grab breakfast and I'll be right back. Okay, maybe I should have done this on camera, but I did take it out from being in the scrunchie. And all I did is actually fluff, and it actually came out perfect. Like, it's just to stretch this out too. This would be great stretched out, but maybe I'll have to blow dry tomorrow. Frizz does not bother me whatsoever. I really enjoyed this super stretch DevaCurl product. I told you again and again and again, this is probably the, look how much movement, look. Frizz does not bother me though, so I like it. I'm just gonna show you really quick outside what it looks like, and then yeah, I just want you to see in better lighting, so hold on. Okay, so we're outside, better lighting I hope, and you can really see the movement and how much fun this product is. I really appreciate DevaCurl creating this just for curly hair girls like me with thicker hair. They like feeling the product more. Yeah, this is a good product. Thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching again. The only thing I would change is the price, of course, but I mean, that's DevaCurl for you. But I thank you guys so much again for watching another one of my videos. And if you're not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe down below. Love you and have a great day, guys. Bye.